Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Your iPhone/iPad/Mac and the TV must support Shareplay or AirPlay/Cast. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and signed into the required accounts. This avoids handshake errors. Next, open FaceTime or the streaming app you'll share, start a call or group session, and immediately choose Shareplay or Share Screen. This kicks off the remote playback link so the TV can be selected as output. That's the critical first action to get audio and video routed correctly. Once Shareplay is active, select your TV as the playback target so the content appears on the big screen. If the app doesn't list TVs directly, open the AirPlay or Cast menu and pick the Apple TV or Smart TV name. This hands-off video while keeping control on your device. Make sure you permit the app to use the camera, microphone, and screen as required, and allow remote control if you want everyone to play or pause. This step ensures synced playback and shared controls for all participants. To wrap up, control playback from your device or let participants use shared controls. The TV remote handles volume locally. When you're done, stop Shareplay in the app or leave the FaceTime call to end casting cleanly. If you run into issues like lag, stutter, or missing audio, first restart the phone, TV, and router, then switch the TV to Ethernet or a less congested 5 GHz network. Also make sure both the app and TV firmware are updated. That usually resolves sync and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.